In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a paper tarpaulin in Microsoft Word. If you have a large design or image that you want to turn into a banner, you can print it across multiple sheets of paper using Microsoft Word. This is useful when you want to create a larger display but only have access to a regular printer. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once the document is open, go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen. Click on Orientation and choose Landscape if your picture is designed horizontally. You can also click Size and select the paper size you want to use, such as A4 or letter. Next, go to the Insert tab and click Pictures. Choose this device, then browse your computer and locate the picture you want to use for your paper tarpaulin. Select the picture and click Insert. After the picture has been inserted, click on it to display the picture format options. Select Wrap Text and choose Behind Text. This allows you to move and resize the picture more easily anywhere on the page. Now, resize the picture according to the size you want. Click and drag one of the corner handles to make the picture larger or smaller while keeping its proportions. Position the picture so that it fits properly on the page. If your tarpaulin design is larger than a single sheet of paper, you can increase the picture size beyond the page area. This allows the design to be divided across multiple sheets when you print it. When you're ready to print, go to the File tab and select Print. Check the available printer settings and look for an option such as poster, tile, or multiple pages per sheet. The exact option may vary depending on your printer and its available settings. These options allow a large picture to be divided across several sheets of paper. Select the appropriate setting for your design and check the print preview carefully. The preview is important because it lets you see how the image will be divided across the pages. Make sure the picture is positioned correctly and that the pages will connect in the proper order. You can also print a test page first to check the size and quality before printing the complete design. Once everything looks good, print the pages. After printing, arrange the sheets according to the correct order of the image. Align the edges carefully so the design connects properly. Then attach the sheets together using tape or another suitable adhesive. And that's how you can create a paper tarpaulin in Microsoft Word using a picture from your computer. This is a simple way to turn a single large image into a banner that can be printed across multiple sheets of paper. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,